is Tony Tran, BSN 206 student, here to do a sterile dressing change. Go ahead and knock knock, enter the patient's room, introduce myself while sanitizing my hands. Hello, my name is Tony. I'll be changing your dressing today. Can you tell me your first and last name, and may I see your armband? Okay. So today I'll be removing your old dressing and applying a new one. I'll remove my badge just so I don't cross-contaminate. Go ahead and apply clean gloves. Okay, clean gloves applied. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the old dressing. Remove the old dressing, pulling towards the wound and parallel. Okay. Discard of this in the biohazard bin. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look, palpate the wound, inspect the wound, make sure it's doesn't have foul odor or drainage. Okay, go ahead and remove my gloves. Throw it in biohazard. I'm gonna sanitize my hands. Grab my sterile dressing kit. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and apply my sterile gloves. Okay. Move the wound closer. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna use this to grab supplies and use this to clean the wound. Start off with cleaning the wound. I got my ChloroPrep here. I'm gonna work from inside out, working closest to the wound and working my way out. One go around, and then I'll go ahead and toss. Okay, I'll grab a new one. Drop here, work inside out, and then next all the way out in the border. Toss this in the biohazard bin. I'll go ahead and grab a clean gauze. Same thing, work inside out. And closest to the wound, toss, and I'll grab a new one. Toss. Okay, now that the wound's clean, I'll go ahead and inspect it, palpate it one more time, looking for any drainage, foul odor, the condition of the wound. Okay, now next I'll grab the Tegaderm and apply this over. Go ahead and toss this, and I'll apply it from the middle out. Okay. And then in the real world, I will remove this white border and grab this label right here and initial and date, so everybody knows how old this dressing is. But just in case I get remediated, I'm gonna keep that there. And see here, then I'll remove my sterile gloves, toss it in the biohazard bin, and thank the patient, sanitize my hands, and exit the room and chart what I did. Thank you.